Welcome to video 2 of our DH project on Arab American news and how 9/11 affected reporting on terrorism. We have DocuScope. You might wonder why we're not doing anything more with it now. That's because we're using DocuScope in two ways. In the first cycle, we're using it simply to tag the text to turn essentially words into numbers and measures of different linguistic features of English. We're going to then throw all of this into a statistical package and through the magic of statistics find some powerful patterns that will give us insight, and then return to DocuScope in single text mode in order to make sense of what our discoveries are. And so that's what we're going to do. And so in this video, we're simply learning how to export the DocuScope data into a statistical package. So what we're going to do is simply go under MTV, export frequencies under file, and then we're going to say 9/11 .csv, and we use an underscore, not a hyphen. The hyphen is probably, the computer won't like the hyphen, but the underscore 9/11 underscore .csv for comma separated file. We're going to save it, and then you'll see that what the program is doing is creating different CSV files. We're going to be most concerned about the cluster file, and it seems to have already been built. So we're going to stop this video here, and the next thing we're going to do is read this cluster file into a statistical package. In this case, we're going to be using Minitab. You could actually use any statistical package you like, and so we're going to stop here.